Hi friends, in this video I will explain the topic comparison operators in Python. Comparison operators are used to compare variables with values. Here we are going to discuss about different types of comparison operators which are available in Python. First one is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. We can discuss one by one. First one is equal to. It is used to check for equality. It returns true if both the operands are equal. Otherwise, returns false. Let me explain with one example in Python shell. Open command prompt. Type Python. Enter. Assign value to x means x equal to. Assign value 10 to y. Here we can take any values. I am taking small value for x and bigger value for y. I am checking the equality. Type x double equal to y. This operator is to check for the equality. Here we will get the Boolean result, either it may be true or false depending upon the expression and depending upon the value of two operands. Okay. Already we have taken x equal to y equal 10. If you are comparing these two operands with equality, now you will see the output as false because both values assigned to the operands are not same. Suppose if we take same value for x and y as 2 only, means assign same value 2 to y. So here x equal to and y equal to. Now type x double equal to y. Output will be true. If both values are same, it returns true. Otherwise, returns false. Second type of operator is not equal to. It returns true if both the operands are not equal. Returns false if both are equal. Let me explain with one example in Python shell. Here I am taking x equal to 5, y equal to 6. I am typing the expression like x not equal to y. Returns true. Now assign 5 to y. Y equal to 5. Both operands are same. X not equal to y. Returns false. If both values are same, it will return false. Otherwise, returns true. Third type of operator is greater than. The greater than operator returns true if the left operand is greater than the right operand, otherwise returns false. Let me explain with one example in Python shell. X equal 6, y equal 5. Here taking x value as bigger than y. So if I type x greater than y, it returns true. Now we can change values of operands x and y. Here taking x value is smaller than y value, means x equal 5 and y equal 6. Here I am taking values as 5 and 6. You can take any value, but x must be less than y. X greater than y. It returns false. It returns true if operand at left side of the left side is greater than operand at right side. Otherwise, it returns false. Fourth type of operator is less than. This returns true only if the value of the left operand is less than that of the right operand. Otherwise, returns false. Let me explain with one example in Python shell. I am taking x value as 6, means I am typing as x equals 6 and y equals 5. Here taking x value as bigger than y value, x is less than y, returns false. Now we can change values of operands x and y. Here taking x value as smaller than y value, typing x equals 5, y equals 6, x less than y, it returns true. It returns true if operand at the left side is less than operand at right side, otherwise returns false. Fifth type of operator is greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to operator, this returns true only if the value of the left operand is either greater than or equal to of right operand. Let me explain with one example in Python shell. X equal 6, y equal 5. Here I am taking x value as 6, y value as 5. So my main objective is I want to take x as bigger value than y. So x is greater than or equal to y, returns true. Suppose if I take both values as same, means x equals 6, y equals 6. Here taking x value same as y, x greater than or equal to y, returns true. Now x equal to 5 and y equal to 6. X value is less than y. So x greater than or equal to y, it returns false. It returns true if operand at left side is greater than or equal to operand at right side, otherwise returns false. Sixth operator is less than or equal to. Less than or equal to operator returns true only if the value of the left operand is either less than or equal to that of right operand. Let me explain with one example. X equal 5, y equal 6, x less than or equal to y, returns true. If both values are same, means x equals 6, y equals 6. Now we can check with expression x less than or equal to y, returns true. Suppose x equals 6, y equals 5. Now we can check x less than or equal to y, returns false. It returns true if the operand at the left side is smaller than or equal to the operand at right side, otherwise returns false. I hope you understood about comparison operators. In the next session we will discuss logical operators. Thank you. Have a